have a little bit of a ratchet addiction. These are my chrome handles. All these are 3/8 comfort handles, different brands, Snap-on, Craft, Gear Wrench, Sada, Matco. It's my custom Matco. Black nickel. Black chrome with the chrome. Black blue handle. Black nickel. Tail. I like Matco ratchets. But you know, I like them all. These red little stubbies. Then we got the big ratchets. The 1/2 inches, the long guys. The 1 inch easy red, 3/4 easy red. Yeah, I think I got an issue. And then some other ratchets I really don't use. A drawer lock, but there's in other boxes too. Ratchets in every box.